Hello everyone, doctors and nurses, this is Alex from Swoosh English. You might be thinking, where am I right now? This is not the usual location that you generally see me in. I'm actually in Mumbai right now, and it's very interesting. You might be thinking, why am I in Mumbai? Well, we're looking to really help a lot of doctors and nurses. There's been a lot of demand for our OET courses here at Swoosh, and we wanted to, I wanted to really come out here and really understand how we can help nurses and doctors. There aren't a lot of schools out here, language schools, etc., or ways for these nurses and doctors to really pass the OET examination, or even for them to consider the difference between IELTS and OET and which one they should actually go ahead and choose. So I'm looking to help these people as much as possible. If you're wondering what kind of vehicle I'm in right now, I'm actually in a rickshaw, which you can see my driver here. We're quite a busy street, quite a busy road as well, lots going on. It's a fantastic city, fantastic place that I'm in right now, and just learning a lot about nurses and doctors, and even their dreams as well. What the dreams they're trying to fulfill, what their ambitions are. And when I help these doctors and nurses, I can really see from their perspective how much this means to them to be able to come to the UK, get 5 times, 10 times, even 20 times the salary that they're making out here, and how the effect it has on improving their life and their family's life. So it's great to be here. I love India. So if you are an Indian nurse or doctor, make sure you put a message in the comment section. I'm out here for 2 weeks, going to Mumbai, Kerala, and lots of other places. So let me know where you're from, and just enjoying being here, but also being able to really be here on the ground. There's a lot of bumps actually, but being able to be here on the ground and understand how we can help these doctors and nurses with IELTS or OET is great. There's been a huge amount of demand, even in the last 4 months since the NMC's decision, Nursing Midwifery Council, in November to accept the OET, and then also for doctors February 2018, just a couple of months, and seeing the demand here. So it's great to be out here. And if you have any questions at all, or you're curious about the adventures that I'm having here on the path of helping doctors and nurses, or even if I can help you with your IELTS or your OET, please message below. And if you want to get some of our free downloadable courses and materials, make sure you go to swooshenglish.com. So this is Alex from Swoosh English signing out here in Mumbai. I'll leave you with the view. Incredible view.